Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see 10 compliments in German. So today's topic is very interesting because everybody likes to get compliments, isn't it? So we'll start with the video. Now first compliment will be, suppose you are sweet. So if you translate this sentence into German, it will be du bist süß. Süß is sweet. So it is S, U with umlaut, and that beta kind of letter, it is called as SZ in German, and it is pronounced as double S. Then the second one is, you have beautiful eyes, suppose. So it will be, du hast schöne Augen. Augen is eyes. Auge is eye, and Augen is eyes. So it will be, du hast schöne Augen. Then the third one will be, I love your smile. It's so charming. So this will be, ich liebe dein Lächeln. Now this Lächeln meaning smile. L-A with umlaut, C-H-E-L-N, Lächeln. Lächeln is smile. Es ist so charmant. Okay. So it is similar to English, charming and charmant. And so is so. Always S is pronounced as so. Then the next one will be, I like your new haircut. Meaning, deine neue Frisur gefällt mir. Frisur meaning haircut. So, deine neue Frisur gefällt mir. Gefällt mir is also very common and basic phrase, you can say. So, German people, they use it very often. Okay. Gefällt mir. It is like, I like this, or liked by me, if you take the literal meaning. Then the next one will be, I like this color, it really suits you. So it will be, ich mag diese Farbe. Okay, Farbe is color. So there is a different video on my channel called Names of Colors. I will give a link in the description box. You can go through it. And it really suits you. So it will become, ich mag diese Farbe, I like this color. Sie steht dir wirklich gut. Now steht meaning it suits you. It is like for suit, it is steht in German. And dir wirklich gut. Wirklich is really. So it is like it really suits you. Okay. Wirklich gut. Wirklich is really. So these are the some 5 comments or compliments we have seen. Then the next one will be, the meal was delicious. So it will be, das Essen war sehr gut. Okay. Meal is Essen and sehr gut meaning very good. It was delicious. So sometimes you can say lecker also for delicious. There is a word called lecker, meaning it is delicious. Then suppose you want to say great job. So it will be gut gemacht. Okay, gut gemacht. Then I like your sense of humor. So it will be, ich mag deinen Humor. Ich mag is like. So I like your humor, sense of humor. Humor is the pronunciation, but very much similar to English. Then comes, suppose it is, you dance well. So it will be, du tanzt gut. Okay. Tanzen meaning dancing. So du tanzt gut. Then the last one will be, you look fantastic. If you want to say like this, it will be, du siehst fantastisch aus. Again, very much similar to English. Fantastisch aus. Okay. Du siehst fantastisch aus. So these are the some 10 compliments in German. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.